Here's some art of embroidery trivia. Subscribe. What technique uses thread to decorate fabric? Is it A, weaving, B, applique, C, quilting, or D, embroidery? The correct answer is D, embroidery. What fabric is often used for cross-stitch? Is it A, silk satin, B, denim, C, cotton twill, or D, Aida cloth? The correct answer is D, Aida cloth. What stitch is commonly used for filling? Is it A, chain stitch, B, backstitch, C, satin stitch, or D, whip stitch? The correct answer is C, satin stitch. Which English historical figure popularized embroidery? Is it A, Elizabeth I, B, Thomas More, C, William Shakespeare, or D, Henry VII? The correct answer is A, Elizabeth I. What stitch is characterized by its looped appearance? Is it A, satin stitch, B, zigzag stitch, C, backstitch, or D, chain stitch? The correct answer is D, chain stitch. Which famous museum showcases embroidery arts? Is it A, Louvre Museum, B, Tate Modern, C, Victoria and Albert, or D, National Gallery? The correct answer is C, Victoria and Albert. What technique uses knots to create texture? Is it A, satin stitch, B, chain stitch, C, French knots, or D, cross stitch? The correct answer is C, French knots. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.